Hi, Greg Kilroy with Keller Williams Velocity Group in Scottsdale, Arizona. I want to talk to you a little bit about some tips on using the MLS in a better way. So first, this is based upon looking at the search behavior of both agents and consumers, and I ask a lot of my clients when they search online how they do it. So for instance, I say, when you type in a search bracket, your low to high, what do you use? And almost never do they use nines. And as a matter of fact, in the MLS, our system, it defaults the last three digits to 0. So just as an example, a lot of my clients might search from 350,000 to 400,000. Just as an example. Again, what we see a lot of times, an agent might price a property at, say, 349, 995, and they never show up in that search at all. So in other cases, somebody might price a property at 399. Yes, you're getting in that search, but there's also a theory called primacy and immediacy. Those things that are first or the very last are more memorable. So if you were to price at 400 as an example, you may be the last property in that list and therefore a little bit more memorable, but also for the person who searches from 400 to 500, you're the least expensive property in that search range. And that's certainly a benefit too in terms of consumer awareness. So again, hopefully your agent has a practice and some thought around how they price your property. Again, my goal would be to price, for instance, as long as it made sense, at 400,000 because you're first in this search and you're the first one that comes up in the 400 to 500 search, and you're perhaps the last one to come up in the 350 to 400 search. Does that make sense? All right, thanks for watching.